Okay, what's up you guys? I have on seriously the cutest new leggings. So these are the navy pink splash light and tight high-rise leggings. So these leggings, I would say true to size with the rest of our light and tights. I'm wearing a 6'8". It does have this band at the top, which we love, keeps it up. These leggings are intentionally quite compressive so that they stay on. And then it has like the same detailing as like the stay gold, just different colors. So it has like, down here it's obviously more pink, and then as it goes up slowly less. It's super cute. We have the moon back here on the back like usual. I love this item. It matches actually perfect with our hot pink bomber bra, so it's a super cute combo. I can't wait to see you guys in these.